Damn. That was like a wild moment for me. Holy shit.
Scrotum. What's up, guys? It's Douglas, and today I'm gonna be doing some public burping. Cheer! Cheer. Hey! Hey! Bro, you wanna hear something cool?
What?
Look. Damn, you got ass, Ma. You think I can spank it?
Yes, you did.
Come on, no, really though? Please? I can? Oh my god. Oh, fuck me, yeah. You feel me? You feel me, bro? Squad shit. Hey, wait, you guys want to hear something cool? What up? Hey, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? All right. Are you guys ready? All right. Someone drop me a drum roll. Someone give me a drum roll. No drum roll. You like that?
Give him a spanker.
Baker, what else do you have?
What?
What else do you have?
What's next?
You want to spend that for that?
Can I have a garlic stick?
No. But how much do you want?
Wow.
Look.
Can I get your number? Kick me? Snapchat? Wow! Why? Why?
So when you do this kind of shit, you're attracting different people and demographics. So what's your goal?
To break out of my shell.
And
my
that's
goal.
good. So you know what? That's great. I think that's great. Take the positive and go for it.
That's exactly what I'm
But you
doing.
know, burping and farting and shitting.
Okay,
is
I'm not
one of those
farting. I'm not
things-
farting
I
and
know,
shitting.
but
I'm
burping
actually
is
not doing that.
Like
What?
burping and fucking
Really?
farting and shitting is.
Tell us what you
Really?
got, bro.
Hey!
Just don't make
So you know what?
Don't make it a fucking
Keep your
career.
fucking
Go
air in
around
your
doing
pants.
Nah, actually, I'm filming a YouTube video. I'm actually,
is it?
there's a camera over there, look.
That's cool though. That's what you need to get across.
look it up, Andy.
Hey!
Awesome.
Alright, thank.
An old woman just kissed your lips.
Wait. You have to do it one more time for the camera, please.
Where is he?
Where, right there. Let's go. Oh!
We love you. Keep it up.
Alright, so I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with anyone that you know. And I hope you were just as surprised as I was when I got to spank that black bitch's ass. And when I got to kiss that other girl. I don't know what the fuck was wrong with her. But, cheer! Should we do it like that? Or should I be like, and I don't even know